Nissan is calling 2017 the year of the truck because of several new or updated models, including this Titan XD. The big Titan news is the addition of a regular half-ton model, but the XD also receives a few things like a new cab configuration. This full review will cover the full range of Titan XDs, including both the gas and diesel engines and all of the trim levels. The old Titan was left behind by the competition, so let's see if the new one is caught back up. We would like to specially thank Glenn Nissan for allowing us to come out and film this review. If you would like to check out their dealership and massive inventory of all the Nissan models, a link to their website has been provided in the video description. Before we begin, I want to apologize for the lack of options on this Titan, but due to some technical difficulties, it's the only one I could have access to. I will still go over all the trims, and I'll edit in some pictures of the other trims throughout. Every Titan XD gets keyless entry with this key fob. The S and SV also get this key because they do not have smart entry like the others do. Let's check out what's under the hood. XD is Nissan speak for more capable than the regular Titan, but still not as capable as its full heavy-duty competitors. However, like those heavy-duty rivals, the Titan XD is offered with both gas and diesel engines. We have the 5.6-liter V8, which produces a stout 390 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. The other engine is a unique Cummins turbo diesel, which you won't find in any Ram pickup. It produces less horsepower than the V8 at 310, but much more torque at 555 pound-feet. The gas V8 is mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission, while the diesel gets a 6-speed automatic. Both can choose between either 2 or 4-wheel drive. Since this is almost a heavy-duty truck, the EPA has not and will not test it. Alright, now let's check out the outside. The Titan XD is huge, and in no place is it so apparent as the front end. I am almost eye level with the hood because the front end is so tall. Almost every trim of the Titan gets a different front end treatment. Only the S gets this matte black grille and bumper, while the SV and SL get chrome. The Pro-4X gets a body colored grille, and the Platinum Reserve gets dark chrome. Lower end models get full halogen headlights, but the Pro-4 and above get LED low beams. You also get fog lamps on those same models. The maximum ground clearance is 9.1 inches on the SL 4x2. Interestingly, the off-road oriented Pro-4X gets less clearance at 8.8 inches. Since this is really a work truck, you get these very basic looking steel wheels on the S and SV. They are 17 inches. The Pro-4X gets some crazy looking 18-inch wheels, and the SL and Platinum Reserve both get 20-inch alloy wheels but with different designs. The brakes are 14-inch ventilated disc in the front and rear. Every model has all-season tires except the Pro-4X, which gets off-road tires. On the S, the mirrors are just mirrors. They are not even power adjusting. They are power on all the other trims, and higher end trims get chrome, heating, auto dimming, and puddle lamps. I think now would be a good time to talk about the two-tone color schemes you can get on the Pro-4X and Platinum Reserve. The lower fourth can be black on the Pro-4X or gray on the Platinum Reserve. It gives it a little bit different look than other pickup trucks in the class. Now that we are back here, let's talk about the bed and cab configurations. We have the crew cab, which can only be paired with this 6'6" bed. New for 2017 is a single cab option, which is paired with a longer bed. I normally don't mention this in the video, but I want to point out that the Titan has a longer warranty than other Nissans. It has a 5-year 100,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, which is the same length as the Powertrain warranty. Most rivals only offer 3 years 36,000 miles. Around back, the Titan looks just about the same as every other pickup truck. The tailgate has a dark chrome piece across the back on the Platinum Reserve. The taillights aren't LED on any model, which is an interesting choice. The tailgate is soft opening and closing. We have the factory bed liner, which is part of the $800 S convenience and utility package. There are plenty of cargo tie-downs. You also have a bed light up here with the brake light. The reason you would get the XD over the regular Titan is the towing, of course. The XD gets you a max tow rating of 11,270 pounds for the gas V8 and 12,314 pounds for the diesel V8. These ratings are closer to its half-ton rivals than its heavy-duty rivals. Every model does have a full-size spare tire. Since the EPA doesn't rate the XD, I can't calculate the fuel range, but I can tell you that the gas tank is 26 gallons. Now let's go ahead and check out the inside. This black cloth interior is the only option on the base S. SV models can also get beige cloth. Leather comes on SL and above, with the Platinum Reserve getting a unique brown and black color scheme. Heading over to the door trim, you have durable plastic and vinyl surfaces. The front two windows are fully automatic. Through here you have a soft touch vinyl surface, but the top portion is hard touch. You do have a lot of storage in the door. S and SV get 4-way manual seats, while all the others get 8-way power adjustments. A durable cloth makes up most of the seat, but it does have vinyl trim with color contrast stitching. Since this is an S, we don't have running boards, which makes getting in pretty difficult. The cabin is really big and airy. The materials used are also better than expected for a work truck. The entire upper portion is made of soft touch plastic, and this area is padded vinyl. Of course, on higher end models you would find leather and wood. Even though it doesn't have smart entry, it does still have push button ignition. The S and SV get this 5-inch audio display, but the other trims get a 7-inch display. The S also gets this really basic gauge cluster, but every other model gets a much nicer looking cluster with a large drive assist display. All Titan XDs have hydraulic power steering, which is fed through a leather-wrapped steering wheel on the Pro-4X and above. All models have these steering wheel controls for audio and phone. On the other side is the standard cruise control. Every Titan has this column-mounted gear shift. You can shift manually with these toggles, and you can activate tow mode by pressing the end of it. A rear view monitor comes on only the Pro-4X and above. The Platinum Reserve will get the around view monitor. The headlight controls are over here like its American rivals. There is plenty of storage all around the vehicle. The center storage is very large, but not all that deep. You can add and remove these dividers to make the space more versatile. S and SV get a middle seat to increase the capacity to 6 people. Down here you've got 2 more cup holders and a small little area above that. Here are the 4-wheel drive controls. Over here are a USB, aux, and 2 12-volt outlets. As expected, you have simple manual climate controls on the base models, and automatic temperature controls on the Pro-4X and above. Both are easy to use and have big knobs and buttons. That brings us to the tiny display on this truck. You've got presets that run across the bottom. This button cycles through sources like aux and your standard Bluetooth audio. If you opt for a more expensive grade of the truck, you get a 7-inch display with Nissan Connect and integrated navigation. This system, however, isn't the latest version of Nissan Connect. Every model also gets a single-disc CD player. The mirror is auto-dimming on the SL and Platinum Reserve. Your large sunglass holder. Overall, the cabin of the Titan is pretty nice. While it certainly isn't luxurious in its base configuration, it has the space and simplicity that prospective truck buyers would want. And of course, luxury is also available in higher trim levels for those interested in that. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the truck. In the back of the crew cab, you have 38.5 inches of legroom and 40.4 inches of headroom. This is less legroom than the F-150 Super Crew, and exactly the same headroom. The materials of the rear door trim are the same as in the front. The rear also has a ton of door storage. This is what it looks like when the center seat is upright. There is plenty of space for both my legs and feet with the seat adjusted to my 5'8" height. There is a fold-down armrest with 2 cup holders inside. The rear window opens on all models, but it's only power on the Pro-4X and above. Your rear lighting and the headliner is nice and soft. The seats do fold upright, so you can store larger items inside the cabin. Overall, the rear seats are comfortable and very spacious. Detailed pricing information will be at the end of the video. The passenger seat is 4-way manual on all but the SL and Platinum. Sorry guys, it's really hard to get in and out gracefully. The glove box is surprisingly small for a vehicle this large. The sun visor does have a mirror, but no light. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2017 Nissan Titan XD. Pricing information is coming up next, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time as we sample more of the latest automotive delicacies.